Okay, here's the old one. I took it off. I had to take the pulley off with that pulley, with the puller, structure. There it is. This is the number, the part number if you need it. Okay, so I took it out. I took it out of there. It's right here. These bolts are 4 bolts. They're all the same size. It would have went right here like this. It would have went like this, right there like that. So, and then that line, this line, I cut it off because I'm gonna put a different one too. I got it off from here because it is super tight and I couldn't get it out. So I'm gonna put it back together and then I'll let you know, and then I'll show you. Okay, but I'm gonna take that line off too, and I'm gonna show you also. Okay, all right. I'll be right back.